To add a new activity, you have to navigate to the activities window. You can go from here, click on activities here, or you can go from the side menu and click on the green icon here. So I will go to activities here. I will have all WBS. If you did not see the WBS you have just created, it's because of one option. You can go to right click, group and sort, and group by options, hide if empty. So if there are no activities under this specific WBS, the Primavera will automatically hide it. So do not click this option yet because you are creating the activities. And let's go for the construction work. For substructure, I will click on the add activity here, or I can click insert from my keyboard. Click new activity. This is the activity ID. You can rename it whatever you want, and I will have excavation. Click next and assign to WBS. So if you click on the WBS from the beginning, it will automatically add the activities underneath. So it shows the WBS here, but it will save you a lot of time if, for example, if I want to create the concrete element activity for the second floor. So you click on the second floor and it will be easier for you because by default, the window here, the creation window, it will show you the WBS it shows from the beginning. Click next. Activity type, we will explain that in the next lecture. Click next. We do not have resources yet. We will assign the resources later from another window. And click next. Duration type, it will ask you about it. You can also do it later. We will explain the duration type from another window. And click next. So it actually asks you of all attributes for the activities. We did not go through yet. So I will click finish here because we will have in other lectures, we will assign resources, we will explain everything. If I click insert on the keyboard, it will add a new activity but without the wizard you have just seen. And many people actually, including myself, I use that. I click insert, or when I click add here, I will choose do not show this wizard again, because later, typically you will create a new activity, edit the duration. Later on, at later stage, you will create, identify and assign resources into this activity. So it is not practical for many people to choose everything here in this wizard. So just something to let you know about it, so you will not get confused. And I have here a new activity called compaction. And you can edit the duration. For example, I want 10 days for excavation, and I want to also for the compaction, I want 7 days, for example. You can have here for the columns sorting by start or finish. We did not create a logic yet, just creating the activities. And everything you add with the duration, it will show up here on the Gantt chart. So I have 10 days, so the bar will be larger than the compaction activity. And I have here the summary activity. So each WBS, it will have corresponding summary bar here. I can customize that later on. And this is just the basic creation for new activities in Primavera P6. In the next lesson, we will talk about some of the key attributes to the activities.